our mobile rail beam. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 30 inches. A depth, 27.5 inches. And the height on caster wheels, we have 6.5 inches tall. Thickness for the rail beam, we have 1.5 inches. And for the height of the caster wheels, we have 4 inches. Rail beam is very lightweight. This rail is split into 2 openings. Each opening will measure 27 inches in length by 11.5 inches. On each 4 corners will be caster wheels with brakes. Also included will be additional mending braces, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and each rail can be cut down to size, whether if it's the length or the depth. Coming below, we have our brackets holding the freezer, along with the corner braces on each end. Whether if it's transporting any refrigeration or cooking equipment, this rail beam will serve its purpose. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.